everyone, what's up? We're back. Yeah, once again, it's been a while. Sorry. Yeah, I'm here with a boyfriend, and he's gonna explain why it's been a little bit.
Well, in the last video, we said that, they pushed back our one crate a whole month, and we receive it late. Well, I was thinking maybe we'll get 2 boxes this month. No, we got August box, so still haven't got September's. I'm guessing I'll get that next month. I got a feeling Lootcrate's just going to be a month behind on every crate from here on out. I should probably get a hold of them. I will, and figure out what's going on with that. But further announcement, as much as we go, here's our Lootcrate box. And don't worry, I'm not going to stab you with the scissors. Okay, ready?
Yep. Other side.
Oh yeah, I just got to be careful because,
You want to give out our address?
Yeah, she can blur it out, right?
Yeah, but that's a pain in the butt. Alright, me go first?
Yep, always.
Okay, well, looks like we got some Joker socks.
Huh. Those are mine.
No, they're mine. You said I could have all the socks.
I might put holes in those socks.
Yeah.
You might not want me to. We'll see.
Yeah.
Keep wearing for Halloween.
Oh, yeah. Alright, next.
And
Beware, also, not beware, but little disclaimer, this one is really heavy. Oh, I won't like that!
I have a feeling this ain't August box because this seems like Halloween themey.
It's chaos.
Oh, okay. Chaos. Okay, that makes sense. The Walking Dead. A whole book on probably nothing but my girlfriend's most hated word, Z words.
Undead. It's terrifying.
We'll call it undead, even though it's really zombie, but he hates that word. But, quick glance, I guess it's just going over The Walking Dead a little bit. Some new characters.
Maybe like on the, not the inside, but like, kind of like an inside scoop.
I haven't read it, so obviously we just pulled it out, so I have no idea what the book is completely about.
If you hear like crinkling in the background, our cat's playing with the wrapper. Okay.
Okay, that's probably why the box is so heavy above.
Oh, this is like stuck. Oh, holy crap. Oh, another thing we don't really like. What is this? A duffel bag. Well, it's Rick and Morty. It's a portal picnic blanket. That's cool.
A picnic blanket?
Yeah, it's a portable picnic blanket.
Well, let's leave it in the packaging because...
Yeah, these suckers are hard to fold back up.
And on top of that, I know somebody that might like this.
That could also be why it was so heavy.
Well, it looks like I got the t-shirt.
Ooh, that's a cool t-shirt.
Oh, it's a short sleeve t-shirt. Oh, it's the Joker. Ha, ha, ha.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Joker's little signature. Okay.
Is there anything else? Pen and I think the pamphlet. Chill Out is the pin, probably for summer, because it's the end of summer. It's a little ice cream.
And Lootcrate decided to say, "We love you." Yeah.
We love you too, Lootcrate. Obviously.
If you send our boxes in on time. Just saying. No.
Ooh, this month's Mega Crate. You got 2 lucky looter this month. Got Netflix Mayhem. Basically a $400 value. That's pretty cool. Okay, Lootcrate exclusive, the shirt. Joker short sleeve. That's cool. The socks. Joker socks. That doesn't say it's Lootcrate exclusive or anything. And then, I guess this is what the blanket looks like.
Doesn't look like that to me, but...
Well, once you unfold it. Yeah, that is what the blanket looks like once you unfold it. And then you got 3 different pin choices for, you could have gotten the blue or yellow or black, and we got the black one for the Loot Crate pins. And then the Walking Dead official cookbook and survival guide.
Oh, that's what it is. Cookbook.
Yeah, it says right on it.
I didn't even read the front of it. Official cookbook and survival guide. Okay.
Oh, that's cool.
That makes sense now.
When it's the undead apocalypse and you're sick of eating leftover brains again, ew. Expand your culinary horizons with this cookbook license from AMC, made by Insight Editions. That's pretty cool. Oh, and this month's box is Mayhem.
I want to see if we got the month correct. I'm pretty sure we did. Yeah. Doesn't really say what month. That's okay. Oh wait, 18.
Yeah, so
it
August.
was August Loot Crate.
I mean, we've had it for a little bit. Your phone's vibrating. Wait. Okay, well, Ryan had to take a phone call. His sister called. I forgot what we were in the middle of saying. But yeah, this month was a month late. So we aren't sure when we're going to get September's or if we're even going to get it. But yeah, this month's was Mayhem. So, yeah, guess that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoy it. Please hit that like button, smash that thumbs up, smash it. And leave a comment down below on some video ideas that you want me to start doing. And please subscribe. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.